Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in business sentiment, with a score of plus 0.15 and a momentum of plus 0.75. This is significantly higher than our historical baseline, suggesting a wave of optimism that hasn't been this strong in recent times. What does this mean for you? Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge the business climate accurately. Imagine you're building a dashboard for enterprise clients to monitor shifting market sentiments. This spike could signal an opportunity for investment or strategic adjustments. Stay ahead of the curve and leverage our data to inform your decisions. Dive deeper into our API at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.